Hi dear students, welcome to my channel. This is new direction to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss Z mains previous years questions and solutions for physics. Okay, the first thing what we concentrate is what information given in the question and what are the formulas involved in that question and what is the concept involved in it. This all I will tell you step by step. And most important thing, how quickly you can solve the problem. That is the most important thing. Time is crucial. Within the time you have to solve the problem. That all we will discuss in this video. Keep watch forward, you will understand very clearly. Vishnu, you read this question?
What is the minimum energy required to launch a satellite of mass m from the surface of a planet of mass capital M and radius r in a circular orbit at an altitude of 2r?
Thank you. This is the question. First I will tell you what information given. It is practically we are launching a satellite from the earth surface to particular distance. R is the radius of earth. Suppose radius of earth how much? Anybody can say? Approximately? Okay, around 6,500 kilometer रहता है. Okay. Now we are launching satellite at a distance of 2r, or around 13,000 kilometer from the earth surface. Agree? So given information I will explain. So satellite mass is given m. It is on the surface of planet, any planet. The planet mass also given capital M, and radius of the planet, that is r, is given. Okay. Now we are going to launch the satellite in a circular orbit at an altitude of 2r. From the planet surface, it is at a height of 2r, 2 times the radius. These are the options given. You see solution. You are seeing solution now, Vishnu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here the centermost, see the figure, center, the capital M likha na, capital M is mass of the planet and radius of the planet also I have given. Okay. At point A, that mass small m is there. That small m is nothing but satellite, satellite mass. Okay. So from A to B I have to send. I have to send this satellite from point A to point B. The distance between A and B is 2r, that is given. This problem I can solve by using total energy conservation. Very easy. Total energy at A equal to total energy at B. So initially the satellite on the planet, it is not moving, no, it is at rest. So whatever energy the satellite has at point A, it is just due to earth potential energy, earth gravitational potential energy. Okay. So that is the energy possessed by satellite when it is on the surface of the planet, that is minus g capital M small m by r. Okay. Now I am giving energy to send the satellite from point A to B. This energy we are giving in ISRO. In ISRO they are giving rocket, they are using, no, means they are giving some energy to the satellite to move. So like that I am giving energy E. So plus E I am writing. This energy we have to calculate. So when the total energy of this mass m, small m, when it is on the surface of the earth, earth or planet, any planet, that is minus g capital M small m by r. Okay. Plus some energy I am giving. So it will go to point B. You see the figure, point B. This point B is at a distance of, what is the distance? R plus 2r, that is 3r. I am calling small r here. You see the right side. Small r equal to r plus 2r equal to 3r. So I am sending that satellite from A to B. That B is at a distance from the center of the planet is, that is 3r. Okay. So the important thing what you have to understand here, the total energy when it is at point B, that is equal to minus G capital M small m by 2R. Here some important and shortcut I am telling. The force between two objects F is proportional to 1 by R square. Gravitational law, universal gravitational law, F equal to G m1 m2 by R square. No, for this kind of situation, it is a bounded system. This satellite is bounded to rotate around the planet. It is bounded. For this kind of bounded systems where force is proportional to 1 by R square, there is relation between kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. Total energy equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. So beauty is, suppose if you are calling X as a kinetic energy, its potential energy is minus 2x. I am giving example. If X is the kinetic energy, minus 2x is potential energy. Suppose kinetic energy is given X. What is the potential energy? Minus 2x. What is the total energy? X minus 2x equal to minus x. The total energy is negative. For any bounded system, the total energy is negative. Okay. So the potential energy formula is simple. Minus G m1 m2 by R. So potential energy, if you take from the center to B, it's supposed to be G capital M small m by R, small r. But I am writing by 2R. Why by 2R? This is the reason. X minus 2x equal to minus x. Means the magnitude of potential energy is double the total energy. Magnitude of potential energy is double the total energy. Total energy is minus x. Potential energy is minus 2x. So that is the reason I am writing G capital M small m by 2R. I am, instead of writing R, I am writing 1 by 2R because potential energy magnitude is more, no? So total energy is 1 by 2 liya. G capital M small m divided by 2R liya. Now you simply, after that you take E this side and take this one this side. Finally you will get E equal to 5 by 6 G capital M small m by R. Option A is correct. You understood, Ra?